Good afternoon. Looky there. I got two of them out. The number 2 was kind of stiff. The number 4, it was fairly reasonably loose. And crankshaft there, somebody commented about what it might weigh. I was going to bring the scales out here and weigh it, but I can't pick it up. I can't even budge it. And somebody wanted to see the inside of this thing. Oh, I put the rod caps and stuff back on, and here's how I got these two out. But I got what have I got here? I've got a piece of iron and a socket, keeps it straight, a block of wood, and then pound it right on through. But I'm going to try this here in a minute. This is one that don't move at all. Anyhow, I'm going to try that again. Off camera, of course. And here's something I did. Probably shouldn't have, but I think these sleeves is no good anyhow. But right down here there was an awful catch. Anyhow, I went and took die grinder, went around and took that catch off. Otherwise, them pistons would never come out. It probably should have got one of them ridge reamers or something, but I don't have one of them, so I do what I did. Chances are this probably have to have new sleeves, so probably didn't hurt anything. Alright, that's enough for now. Now I gotta get back to work. Alright, that's all. Yeah, I even went out to the other barn and found a bigger, long-handled hammer. Not very good looking old hammer, but it works. Well, it moved. Sort of like this. Alright, that's enough of that for now. Looky there, I got a new tool. I can get a real wham bang on that one. And it don't bounce off so bad. Looky here. Only got about a ½ inch to go and it'll be sticking out. Of course, then that leaves that number 3, who knows. Well, I got 3 out. I'm gonna have to go take a break. I'm about had. Alright. Boy, that thing looks miserable. Who knows? Alright. Look at there. Number 3's all the way up the top. I don't know. I went and rested a minute, but yeah, we'll put the camera over here and see what's going on. I believe that's got it someplace. It's crooked. Yeah, it's still there. Now, wait a minute. Gotta get up a little higher. There. That's better. It's out an inch already. Gotta do some more. Now go on, get out of there. Hey! Camera's still working. Look at here. I knocked that thing out. Oh boy. Oh, that no looks so awful. There, 4 of them. Oh boy. Oh, we'll get a light. There's what the insides looks like. Well, that number 1 piston sleeve's really miserable. Oh. Yeah, that's about the end of it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, shut that off. Just for the heck of it, I'll show you something. Here's some other pistons I took out with a sledgehammer. That little one there's a Farmall F12. Yeah, a little bit of difference. Of course, you had to beat it on them real hard too to get them out. All right, I've done enough for today. I'm quitting. Yeah.